Hi, my name is Camila Dueñas and this is my reflection about my oral expression. In order for us to have a better oral expression, we have in class some activities that may help us to express ourselves better in front of an audience or in written expression. Last class we had our videos taken, full body videos, in which we had to talk about ourselves, and then some people wrote comments, good and bad, so we can figure out our strengths and areas of opportunities for us to work on. This is my reflection about this activity, and about my strengths. They told me that I seemed very friendly, that they liked my smile, which was very nice to hear. Also that I had a very good pronunciation, and also I was fluent in my speech. And in the negative side, they told me that the position of my hands was incorrect because I was like this all the time. So maybe I had to move my hands a little bit more, or I had a position a little bit more formal. They also talk about my voice tone. They said that my volume was very low, so maybe I had to speak up a little bit more and had more eye contact. So this is my reflection. I take into account these comments, and now I'm working on it, and I'm planning to work on these points like I'm doing it right now, I think. And I think I'm getting better, and it was very good to hear the comments and opinions of my classmates and also my teacher, because they're always trying to improve my skills in oral expression. And since my major is international business, I think this is very important to have a good oral expression. And I think that will be it. So, thank you.